D-ring tab, fold in half, use the iron to make it crisp, and fold one more time and make the same length of the D-ring and sew the edge together. And put through the tab into D-ring and sew both ends. Prep for handle, same as D-ring. Fold in half. Make it crisp with iron and fold one more time both sides inward and make sure the width will be same as hook and sew along the side and put the handle through into the hook like that. You can leave raw edge like this, but if you don't like raw edge, you can fold inward like that, then fold twice inward sideways. But this ends will be hidden later, so it's really up to you. After folding part, you sew the side part, then put it through into the hook like that and sew both ends together. Then flip later. Okay, sew both ends together, then flip. So the both ends will be hidden, kind of inside. Then very close to the top, you make a stitch again. This is optional. For me, it's easier if the zipper opening is closed like that. So I just sew them two together, kind of lightly. It's really up to you. Zipper tab preparation. On top of the outer fabric, make a mark 1 inch away from both sides, just like that. And for both zipper tab, fold in half, use the iron to make it really crisp. Put the zipper on kind of top of the outer fabric. I'm just making positioning right now. And zipper tab has to go on the mark you just made, just like that. Then sew zipper tab on the zipper, just the zipper for now. Outer top and bottom, right side together, and sew them together. After you put them together, open the seam and make top stitching on both top outer and bottom outer. Let's put the zipper on top of the outer fabric. Make sure 1-inch mark from both ends, then zipper. Right side together, and inner fabric, put it like that. So the outer fabric, inner fabric has to be right side together. And use the clip or pin to secure. Also use the zipper foot, then sew them. After you sew one side of the outer and inner, you do top stitching all the way down. Then the other side of the zipper. Same 1-inch mark and put the tab on. Right side together. Right side. The positioning is very important. And again, right side, inner fabric. Then use the clip or pin, then sew it. Then again, you do the top stitching after. After you attach zipper completely, now you can cut excessive zipper for both sides. Then open the zipper at least halfway and D-ring tab. D-ring tab, you attached it onto the outside fabric just like that, just underneath of the zipper, but not too close. Make sure positioning is good. Then put right side together for outside and inner fabric separately, just like that, and use the clip or pin to secure all the way around. And alignment is very important right there and both sides. Make sure you have 3 to 4 inches opening and sew close to zipper but not sew through the zipper. You always have to stop before the zipper, then after the zipper you start it again. Before you turn the work inside out, I always open the seam where the openings is. Also, you cut 4 corners. If you cut corners, excessive fabric, you can easily get the corner out. Let's turn the work inside out. Most important thing here is 4 corners. Once you turn the work inside out, make sure you close the opening.